Is this the ultimate find of the year? If you've been looking for the absolute best item online, this hidden gem is the best investment you can make. Everyone is talking about it lately because the engineering behind it is brilliant. When you first try it out, you will instantly notice how reliable and sturdy it actually feels. It completely outclasses older models in the industry. The main benefit is that it cuts down your daily stress significantly, which is why thousands of global shoppers have given it perfect ratings. You don't have to deal with cheap, low-quality alternatives anymore. This unit is truly engineered to last, fits smoothly into your daily routine, and delivers exactly what you need. Trust me, you do not want to miss out on this deal before the price goes back up. Is this the ultimate find of the year? If you've been looking for the absolute best item online, this